Welcome friends, today we are going to learn tenses part 5, present perfect continuous tense. Stay with Savanth Vyas and just learn this tense. The form of present perfect continuous tense we can see here. S plus have plus been plus VING plus O. Already we have learned before this. S for subject, have is helping verb, been plus verb and the form of verb VING and object. So we can see some negative form and examples. The negative form of present perfect continuous tense is S plus have or has plus not plus been plus verbs fourth form means VING plus object. So here we have using have or has in examples also. First example we can see, they have not been making tea. Here they is subject, have here helping verb, we use not for negative form, been plus VING means making we have been used here and object here is tea. In this way negative form and the example we have seen, which is very easy to make or to prepare sentences easily. And the second sentence we have used here he and helping verb is has and used not for negative form, been and VING form making and the last object is T. So negative form of present perfect continuous tense we are seen here. We have been seen here the present perfect continuous tense. The examples are given here on this format. Let's see the next form, interrogative form. Interrogative form means question. We should make questions, yes or no question, or we call it verbal question also. So here we have given the format of interrogative form. Have or has plus subject plus been plus VING plus object. Here we used have or has first because we are making or preparing question form of the sentence. So we should see some sentences here, examples here. Have, we, this is subject, been, VING form, planting and object trees. Then how to read, have we been planting trees? In this way we have completely used the verb, helping verb, subject, the been and VING and object also. In this way interrogative sentence we can prepare. Then here we use different helping verb and different subject and differently we prepare it. For example, have plus she plus been plus driving plus a car means has she been driving a car? In this way, we used interrogative form in the sentences. So next, there are some examples we should learn, and from that examples, from that table, you can prepare so many sentences. The first examples, we are going to see the subjects. Which are subjects we are seeing here? Subject I, subject we, subject you, subject you, subject they, subject he, subject she, subject it. All these subject we are going to use in the sentences in this table. After subject I, subject we, subject you and they, we should use have been. And after he, she, it, this subject we use has been. So there are some VING forms and objects here, and we are going to prepare some sentences from it. For example, we can take here some examples. I have been learning English. We have been earning money. You have been following them. You have been listening music. They have been playing chess. He has been collecting books. She has been enjoying journey. It has been drinking juice. So in every example there is using of have been, has been plus VING. They are different than each other. So we learn some examples, and their importance is very effectively you can use in your daily. So life will be colorful using these all forms. Sentences using has been. All the sentences we prepared here, and you can change these VING forms and object also, and different meaningful sentences you can prepare here. But you just remember that you should use all these subjects and the helping verbs form here you should use, and then plus VING form and object you should use. So present perfect continuous tense we have learned today. We must understand the every tense easily, and so this is the fourth type of present tense. Okay friends, watch the full video, write examples, listen carefully and write carefully, and subscribe and like please.